Here's the list of guys linked to Ellen Adarna. First one is JC Intal. Ellen Adarna calls past relationship with JC Intal ang pinakamalabong 6 months ever in my life. She recalls may boyfriend-girlfriend ba na magti-text na 3 days lang, ganun lang, it was nothing serious. Next one is Philo Cacueco. Philo Cacueco was one of Ellen Adarna's non-showbiz boyfriend who got a taste of the spotlight when the two joined GMA's Survivor Philippines. Here's what businessman Philo said on an interview before. To be honest with you, for me, if she cheats, it's her loss, no matter what. I know naman the type of man that I am. I know I'm a good guy, so if she cheats, her loss talaga. Third one, Dieter Ocampo. Isa si Dieter Ocampo sa mga naugnay kay Ellen Adarna, gayon pa man nilinaw ng aktres na walang seryosong namagitan sa kanilang dalawa. Ellen Adarna was friends with Raul Alves for 5 years before they got into a relationship. According to the actress, however, they broke up due to irreconcilable issues. Her relationship with businessman Raul is almost 2 years. She answered on the interview, "Since the breakup, I gained a lot of weight kasi inom lang ako ng inom. Alis ako every night, of course kasi I'm lonely. I don't feel sexy at all. Wala, hindi ko na iniisip. Hindi ako sanay alone." So yun. Next one is Raymond Romualdez. Nadikit din ang pangalan ni Ellen Adarna kay Raymond Romualdez noong 2015. Ito ay humakot ng kontrobersya dahil si Raymond ang nobyo noon ni Gwen Zamora, ang best friend ni Ellen. Next one is EJ Falcon. EJ Falcon courted Ellen Adarna when they were co-stars in the Kapamilya show Pasión de Amor. His efforts, however, didn't bear fruit as Ellen claimed she was not yet ready for a new relationship. Next one is Sebastian Baste Duterte. Naging maingay din ang usap-usapang naging si Ellen Adarna at ang presidential son na si Baste. Kalaunan ay inamin din nila na naging magkarelasyon sila. John Lloyd Cruz. Tiko man ang kanilang bibig, marami ang naniniwala noon at sumuporta sa relasyon nila ni Ellen Adarna. Matapos ang ilang taon, nauwi rin sila sa hiwalayan, ngunit nananatiling magkasundo para sa kanilang anak na si Elias Modesto. John Lloyd Cruz, naling si Ellen Adarna sa isang foreigner na nagngangalang si Carlos Lemus, kasunod ng balitang hiwalay na ang aktres kay John Lloyd Cruz. At ngayong bagong taon, January 2021, ay naging maugong ang usap-usapang nagkakamabutihan na sina Ellen Adarna at Derek Ramsey. Nitong Pebrero, ayon sa reports, ay kinumpirma na ng kapusuhan ang kanilang relasyon. Sa ngayon, talagang pinag-uusapan ang relasyon ni Derek Ramsey at Ellen Adarna. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang mga bashers, pero siyempre marami rin ang umaasa na sana nga ay matagpuan na nila at ito na talaga ang forever nilang hinahanap. At para kay Derek, he thinks she's the one. So, let's just wait and see. Thanks for watching guys. Like, comment, share, and subscribe the Saldanas Vlog. Please hit the notification bell to keep you posted on my next video. Till next time, bye!